In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete documents in Lucidchart. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or just removing outdated files, managing your documents efficiently can streamline your workflow and keep things organized. So let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Lucid's official website, lucid.co. This is where all the magic happens. Once the page loads, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that button to begin the login process. Now on the login page, you'll see several options to access your account. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's choose the Sign Up with Google option. It's a quick and convenient method if you already have your Google account details handy, and it saves you the task of remembering yet another password. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to select your Google account. Don't worry if it asks for permissions. This is standard procedure for linking your account securely. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your Lucidchart dashboard. This is where all your documents are stored. Navigate to the Documents section where you can see the list of files you've created or worked on previously. Once you are here, decide which document you no longer need cluttering up your space. To delete a document, locate it in the list. Simply right-click on the document you wish to remove. This action will open a context menu with various options. From this menu, choose Move to Trash. This step is crucial as it transfers the document to a temporary holding area before permanent deletion. You're almost there. After clicking Move to Trash, you might see a confirmation pop up. This is Lucidchart's way of double-checking with you before performing the action. It's helpful in preventing accidental deletions. Confirm your choice by clicking Move to Trash again in the dialog box. Now your document is moved to the trash folder successfully, reducing clutter on your main dashboard. Remember, items in the trash can be restored if you have a change of heart, but they will eventually be permanently deleted, so make sure you don't need them anymore before proceeding with this action. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete documents in Lucidchart. By keeping your workspace lean and organized, you can focus more on productivity and creativity. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your workflow in Lucidchart. Thanks for watching and see you next time.